Ago. Obieni ho. Obieni ho. Obieni ho.
Yeah, Masha, akaba. Masha.
McBROWN.
But yo, akwa gino nyamba fie. Oh, akujo. Can't come up, baby. No, it's not.
Uka saka sana rodi aso. Mi ba McBROWN ni wa le mesma.
What is this? That's uniform. What uniform?
Are you a policeman in this house?
Baby, you're shaking your key on push near fire at the end of the camera.
That you're already tired. Let's get inside.
Look at you. One more thing. Say you've come up, Papa. Red lady. The nasty. The nasty.
Sunday come over.
But can't tell you where I'm going. PSA. PSA. Thank you. Ready? Now, as that. Oh, what you have, Papa?
Okay, I'll be in my room.
Okay, be fine. Now, why did you go? Let you go. Go. Why are the original school pal? We want to provoke. Yes. I'll be in my room. Say, Okonda. Nah, bro. It's not that. Good. Why the asset order though? Hey, Papa. No, I'm going to be a millionaire. Mention will be made you up. Because I am here. No, I'm going to be made there. Wait a minute, I'm you. Beautiful. Nah. Oh, brah. Kwanse di oboko. Na baby na aso chuma kakre ni. Oh, kasa. Eye oban wife. Oh, no ye. Oh, yare. Oh, why? How yare? Baby na go to hospital. Good. We call a doctor and say, I'm being operation.
Operation album. I should know it's serious.
Nothing to a bar or for society.
No, I have a bar.
Oh, yari a ban of women fussy. Sir, in Kofu Yali. Henia. We are having a serious rap. Oh, I don't know, sir. We are having a serious bar. A serious, I said, a bar who do you know? Henia before ever.
Be selling to me, Henia.
On
your Henia. No, Doctor can't answer you on your Henia.
Any doctor, I am mistaken. Was it Henia?
No, the doctor can get you Henia. Oh, you haven't want to hint them.
When you have the power, go for
Nias the man.
Maybe you're fabulous. Was it? I'm fabulous. That's like fabulous.
No fabulous, Nezo Henia.
The doctor said, Sir Fabulous, no, a my area, or chairman, a young ward say, a my going now, I'm fabulous for our human operation. I'm on busy mobile.
Why they? A casa day, Yahoo. Well, yeah, Mayor. So you're missing his cat knuckles for another operation in his car. No man can about with some more. On your possible. It's the doctor and the being here by
okay, one carbon straight, but me said the doctor is here and no need diabra. A payer be 600 600.
A branch with 600 in El Capa Bossa, another bubble so one. No, Tumbo, a casa de Maya, young fool. Tumbo with some more.
Proud today.
Mrs. Jennifer considered Cobo was ya. Oh, Brahman. Yes.
No, no, let's go wish or put you out now. You are looking for. How this go with no one, a baby to line,
Mamma 10 million. On your sheep, better on your sheep. Second upon the man.
Bra,
what to do?
Bra, what a mistake. Mr. The Beckham, 600.
No, I'm do. Carry it. Now, in San Luca, what to do?
Brapa. I don't know if you got to record that. Come up. Bra! Braga, Mediation. Mediation, Baraka, and Mabara. I just told you, I know you. Mediation, Baraka, and Mabara. Bra! Bra, Mercy. Mr. Mako, Obana, Mabako. Mate, Mediation.
Jeremy, I told Chelsea to place it safely for you. Yeah, I hope so. Alright, let me check. I think Susan one is going to be available. Alright, sir. Okay. What is I'm going to call you back? Excuse me, ma'am. Are you looking for someone? Oh.
Well, I'm looking for Ernest.
Please, is he expecting you?
Listen, young lady. I am looking for your boss. And what does it matter if I have an appointment or not?
I'm afraid he has given me strict orders, ma'am, not to let anybody in without an appointment or prior notice.
Okay. Check of it. Hi, baby. I'm here to see you, and the riffraff standing in front of me. It's preventing me to come to your office. Yes, that thing that called itself is the secretary or whatever. All right, baby. I love you. Oh, now we see if you can stop me.
Alice,
Yes, sir.
what is the matter with you? Huh? Why are you being
so disrespectful to her.
Sir, I only asked if she was looking for someone.
What do you mean by that? And isn't it obvious she is? I don't want that to ever happen here again.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, apologize to her.
Oh. I'm sorry.
You're sorry, what?
I'm sorry, madam. It's not going to happen again. Okay.
Good. Now it sounds like an apology.
Now you, get back to work. Baby, let's go.
Well, now you get back to work. Get back to work. Bitch.
This lady's crazy. She got no manners and ethics. Damn her!
Baby, why did you keep me waiting all day? I mean, and it was a weekend too. A Saturday. Yeah? I felt so embarrassed.
I'm sorry.
And disappointed.
I'm so sorry. I had to go somewhere, and it was so urgent.
What came up?
Oh. Do you remember the job I told you I have applied for? Do you remember?
Yes, I do.
Yes. People called me out once to meet the MD, and I had to just go.
On a weekend?
Yes. Actually, babe, it was a business lunch, and I'm sorry.
Jessica, I have told you so many times that I could create a portfolio for you here when you're employed. I've always wanted to employ you here, but you don't seem to be interested.
It's not like I don't appreciate all that you've been doing for me. I do. But you see, I don't want to be seeing you every day, every minute. Working with you in the same office, you know, you grew tired of me.
Well,
listen, you just let me make do with the allowance you've been giving me, okay? Whilst I look for a job somewhere.
you're interested in only allowances, huh? You don't need more. Well, if that's what you want, I'll do it for you.
Oh my, thank you so much.
Yes.
That's why I love you.
But you shouldn't have, kept me waiting like that. I was sitting there like a duck.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you. Alright?
How are you going to make it up?
Listen. Until the river runs dry, and until the sun stops disappearing and appearing, I, Jessica, I'm yours forever.
Oh, my
Yes.
Angelo.
You know what I mean?
Oh, baby. Come here.
Oh, you want a kiss? Remember I told you, one today. And you've already had one.
Oh, who could this be?
No, one today.
Yeah, yes, come in. Oh, Mom. You're welcome.
Honest, can I speak with you in private?
Oh, Mom. You mean Jessica?
Hello, Mom.
I said I want to speak with you in private.
Mom. Jessica.
I said I want to speak with you in private.
Oh, but Mom, Jessica is more than family. She can be here whilst we speak.
It's alright. Let me leave here. I will give you a call.
Jessica, hold it. She can be here whilst we speak.
What is wrong with you? I don't know how.
Let me leave. Sorry, Mom.
Mom, what is it?
Bayofi.
She's my fiancée.
Ernest. Then how? You mean to say when you knew what room pempens? I'll be to know be an auntie. Akofa gewi. Sha atade e hye na wode abewura office a. Aye disco.
Ma'am. Atade e hye ni eden from so na watade. And a young girl be a baby or shat atade will be feel comfortable. Then from so na wom. O de asema de buy no kana meet.
Can you see penny bia? I mean Dana was quarantine and buy. Mpeso de be mo bia, obi de be mo bia bi. Omuno wom na ka akra no mo time so no mo free. Person dey fashion house. It is one free man. I'm saying 2 months and 3 months no more free. Me fa mo bia bi. Anything I'm buy.
Okay, Mati. But at the moment the estate manager is not around. When he comes back, I will inform him and then he will note it down.
It's okay.
I don't know who left your Gosha.
When you crowd them, when you cry, go for me now. The TV now, quack.
Let me remember my agreement. I am a Christian. They are your Miami agreement.
Huh? Who will come and breakfast here? What's your supposed to do now? Well, maybe 2 and look at me.
I dare some of me. I dare some of
Hey,
Why are you preventing my own brother? You my boy. Why do you prevent or interfere?
Get down. See ya next time.
Forget. Come.
Maybe I'm bobbing and can't go inside me. Am I a kid? No, you have to talk to her. So, Anna, him, rather. I'm not a small boy, rather. I'm not frustrated. That's why I'm speaking like a kid. You shall see. Who is who over here? Your time will come. Woman, I will say, Joe. Joe.
Wallahi. Kai. Don't yame.
Hey, bra. Nyabutal. Ode nyabutal. Say one. Because oye security.
Also, Casacheno. Sajana, why Sajana Juno? Over in Christ and Channel.
Police here work of pension.
Educative. And as educated.
Or you educated.
I educate you.
Your father and answer me teacher. I've been them to them.
Yeah,
Auntie. In your way. Now, sir.
I'm Saka.
That's all I like a Oh, catch them bread album, which I'm afraid later. Aye.
Auntie, I say, oh, you're meeting Kakenti furniture, right? Okay, bye.
Anyway, yeah, the mere one only if you can.
Blah. Why represent me or permanent town and home being son? Now being son. Yenis. Obama Jai. They say, oh, how much doing too much? Oh, school fees, MBA school fees. So I was expecting money from Abuja. So, until you say, I'm not maybe sometimes in Halana and also the Kakato that we do read more sap. So,
What? What new business be our approach? They don't expect this kefra approach.
my mom can't business once. It's my young couple of no go jealous. So, sometimes
What the infantry is second way.
Each person, old Ghana City.
To 4.5 inch, more formal education and more.
Oh, let me mom go school, no go all right.
They say, we government school are more free education.
Oh, my man, yes, sir. And then our person can say, oh, go international. Help you on preparatory school. Yeah. Oh, make me try to.
My uncle, much and true bank draft, and then everything will be.
Oh, bank draft was some them, so only if you. But to back on, sap in a bank from bed to one on the mission appearance. No, drink found your phone because you are discussing about the human dignity.
Or the formal education, you move it now.
Because it's time apart. Now come from the ministry of boss because we pay you mature. That's it. So,
Here 1.5. 1.5 times 3, 500 I would offer Kako. Wajina, some year on your respect. Papa just come on me a while. In your Juma man. Sikama, Madame Wodofokutu and Lacan, Womenim. I heard there's a match to another one.
Oh, Brown, I see me for this year, and I say, yeah.
No problem.
Mama, problem no on compound, son, about Cadams and somewhere.
No, I'm very impressed. Aye. Maybe just call me.
Hey, Abade. The quantity.
I'm frustrated, and that's why.
Honey. Why this front face?
Nothing.
Nothing, no, also was not to go, which or pump had been one of them. It's only a Bamasa Begis Kaka, necessarily I was who be fool. Oh, when you have a time away.
I said, we have a bank and see a junior.
I hope you're not coming to swell my appetite.
No, I hope not.
Honey, can't we describe this in the bedroom?
No. Prefer this in the team. I've brought it out all the time.
Well, I'm ready.
It's about your brothers.
Why then?
Said you must see Beffia, Tempia, Disca, Rum, no more pea, Discan so, Omofanya, she no more no what?
Dad, you see, I've also...
You also what? Why did you depend on why when I have to cry? Move if you know why you're money. When you're money, Papa could hear me. Why the move the mood to Musuku? Now can sawdust. Baby, no question. Why? And especially you and this. I'm very surprised. Right? Let me tell you. We ain't for your Panama. Whatever Panama. And when you do my head, it's Mama Collins the one here to be. Mama Collins the one. Look, when it comes to family issues, please, you're very, very vigilant. Right? Because they are your backbones. I can't go without them. Period.
Dad. You know, young wife, fear. And soon you say, Papa, it will fear. Just last month, you've given them a total of 3,000 Ghana cedis. One man find your she, no concern, no Masayaba, and neck and a pay. You may see about 500 Ghana cedis. Bakodinukwa. Every year, Abwajaba, I bet you 450 Ghana cedis. And look at you, said Diane provisions and Pabwa and Tado was not chiefly fiadable. I am too much.
Mom, I know that what you're telling Dad is nothing but the truth. Dad, you see, I don't know whether you've seen this. I don't think your brothers are serious at all. They keep coming in and out. Whenever they are here, they are taking something out. You see, you offered them jobs in the firm, but they didn't want to do it until now. They've not given you any response.
Exactly.
Dad, remember you've spoken about extravagance so much. You always tell me how I should be careful and not squandering money just like that. But in your case, it's not like that. It's like you telling me to do something which you are not actually doing it yourself. You give them so much money to squander in a fashion that you yourself wouldn't endorse.
It's alright, it's alright.
I think you should do something about it.
I guess you two are right. I will handle it myself.
Good.
Take your decisions. Alright, so it's alright. Thank you. Thank you.
That's why I love you, darling.
I think
You're so understanding.
I will excuse you, this guy. Thank you. I love you too.
Love you.
I don't show me one, Masawara.
That's very good of you. At least that's the end.
Mercy. 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 Now what you want to make from me? I don't want that. Tibe na mkati kutona we. Mercy. Mercy na misi mkati kuto tibe da we. Mercy. Misi ma kuto tibe da we.
Coffee bread and the memo. Coffee bread na me to dia brew. Tin bread ya sudua so asudua so potopoto. Tin na fa yitin no.
Asa no na make. Ale nu ameyo ana mayo boni manu na da fa bi boni bi ezie ebufu ya wo frazi asisi asenze
Ade tina ho me
ken say
luto na wote hu na wo kani twin na ta ka na kwani fi suku aba nkwani be ji do be dia ma wo susu onye bi die
ale mi se o fiase mi ma o sika odi aduma e de be bio
se mi se wuda na wo se wo be adwa wo ma obesi ka se diti dwa na asade na wunya ko manka ho na se sika no ya de wofufuo ya de ka betia ya de kausa yi na school fees e kura yi ko school bia na mi yidi ma wo na wo fa sika nka ho abeda na yeye wo wura ye timi o me pesa ye debe
e de na ba mu na papa yi ana wo mi da e de asem pa na aba e de pa na aba ti be da asem mi bisala no den sem bebe
bemma wo hwe krama kakraka se krama kakraka wo bia ho ama dompe ka se pete kama da wonchai wantini akama we ama krama kete aba fa babore aba wo ya pani ka wantini ami ka se ya mene kama ma wo atowo wo ma kito ya befa akore na wo usio wo kura wantini akadi wo
e ba wo ya se se
shawa kasa wunia shawunia ketuba we wunia
me pato me bu asem ye me kan me pato
wo bu asem me kabi shawunia wantini atapani mo te se tini atna wo to so sta ama wunia edi asase woni ne wo se edi jamu akole ye tini de ko ji long
edi me tia chechi wu
wo ti da de te
edi me chechi wu
wala to pa chechi de ku be chechi man ko ye akole de ko ji long she long wo de ko ji be wo britam sika se ya she wo de ka fiti ba pepe na kwa brania so gate mu opie no
wo da banche ye da da ne ye da ye da ye
wo ka priteri
o ko ta ye da ye da
wo ke da sie na wo pa to se ya ne de ko be tu ya na no na wo sra na to pepe bi se se wo de woni agedi papa yi da ya wo mo so yi na de woni agedi wo ni kwa na ba ko dem ate hey papa junior take twice yo I said take twice yo na one shay ye bi be ya so one shay ye bi asamba to what sama wo bi akata we so more children we wo ko di na ase ete se wo no nka be di na ase wo na ya pani ase ka wo nya sika ade hwe wo nia no hwe wo na wo pa wo ni cha wo na wo pa wo ni na yire cha hwe de yira ye na yire hwe ni wa ye hwe ne to hwe de wa de to ma fi de ade hwe de ma ye papa hwe bibi yo hwe bibi ya ebe ha wan kasa be ha ate na se sika no so woji bi sa woji lo ni bi anu asada na wodi asie na pese wo jame anu ba fro didi ya hey ka wa ka obeni e ka obedi ya nya hwe
ma si bibi awara
bibi ha me podam ma podam ate
o je ma si bibi yo
ma me
bibi yo
wo mo na twen
bibi yo
wo mo na twen bibi twa bibi
ah ba de ha wo ko da mana
Masikem na sa wan so de na se yan ma wote won na wo ye dia e be hawo me se ka ye be ko ma ni ati ye be ko ma ni ati me
Jane.
Yes.
Babo.
Sister, if you can't trust somebody, I don't want to marry her.
Entisa. If you are kind, my binako. Me and my yammy shares me ba. Winning promotion cry my father to Musui. I dear sign upon, I feel I may sign letters. The air quiet nearby. Me not quite crow. Oh, dear. Now, Uja for your contact.
Can I jolly one? Gunia. Oh, officers, yeah, young dear, so him. Sika. Sika is so young swat. No, Massa, and you knew I could shoot. Yeah, be this Kayaman said. Hey, bra, some my Sifia, and now some get one. We almost a fear no mutil. Hey, and they way back 1,000, I did way back 800. No matter what, see a cover, don't come bomba.
Hey, Asimo. Make I say, Ben, our community, but how my mama will be 15,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, you are?
What move on? Question you must say, kind of way.
Bisamie. Bisam halfway.
Eh, Jane. I see, Sika, I want to buy. Why it is a man what to know best now? So why you need no deep promo to car and one no me yaba, no way I beg you, no way I beg any money. Now, so say, your man a broswa, a bedroom baby, no Jane, why here? I watch about me, I'd about to so. So why here that you will be growing? 80, Mrs. Sabaya, Papa said, when Rebecca said, Nibra sopa.
Makebia, Manu Jomo. Into one may limit the hands and bishop. But pa as some pebby, when I'm son the Opa. But never pass some pebby carton so mammy. And yes, I knew Melco Sophia and some kito. Papa, if you a double commuting Boba Mo, Nissimen Namen and the sound call for the moon almost suda. Over her mama to say, my uncle to bed in his own. Near the Sissia. Yeah, man, so yes, I dare go your best far. I found any provisions in your account.
Every 4 years from so.
So, Sikazo are coming.
Any pa, so what can the Trinity now so was one and also one swa. I was so young a brother mano. Nisi ka wuchima woman, you know, see and find Edma. Now the owner could see Umojana Fabra no more Indiana. Hey, Winnie, watching a me peppery. I could ignore one. Me never walk a castle libre so pa. You say, do you ever one tree here? No sense in no anwa. Ebe wo ani.
Power. We dey for what?
And they say, Kumasi Koko want him anaba. Now the woman and what woman abon kokra.
Na chume siniti.
Sa kwano. Kwasa anko bi.
Ni soup ni koshini brada. Akwala ni ti don se ba kube.
Ketra ma pay. Da bi wo hia me. En ma konta wodra no fa me ho a me se. Kakre wo moto mi.
Obeyaman adwuma no. Ei kofi we mu akwaje. No kofi we mu akwaje. Le de sa no ye le bia onam no ma chi match.
Ami oso. Aja. Osare go kan ho.
E fa sa.
Ba, suga. Yo fo.
Da wo ka se go fosi wonu mu.
Abi ya shiro no, mo fa ya ato tonton.
Ah, ne tama de wo.
Ya. Apo sa ra sa.
Me and go by. If I'm not go. Yes.
Nana kwa to my.
Asudia na ya we,
I saw a water. I will say, well,
I said, don't tell you what I'm going to
Walk on. Kada wine. I just want to say me go. Wash your son to my Papa should have been in the house of my the best. Until you're not just.
Hey,
I want to pass on to
hey, I want I want you from Sicamo. Ade. What time want to be a man for forcing me to you? Who never see kind? Pressing the bear matters all no one's son. And we will talk about it. The bell was to go. I was said to the I was always catching. I was said I was no part of my hair. We're not sure to measure my muscle. What's so good? I'm so good. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, well, I'm yeah. Open my hair. Men, we'll talk to you. So who you need?
Next time, I'll be giving you. Bye, woman. But your blower.
Yes, sir.
We are two gentlemen. Oh, I'm fancy. Yeah, I want to say at idea we say the board in the papa brooch lady and the board in the class no question penny in India and sound when we are well. It's actually,
did you decide?
it's right. Not tomorrow.
Hey, now what the man?
Don't try to be smart. You choose one of them.
The answer is beauty.
Nah.
Beauty.
Hey, Mom.
Beauty. I know.
You're welcome.
Ernest,
Yes.
I need to talk to you now.
Jesse is here, you know.
Ernest, I say now!
Yeah. Look, why are you taking me to
I want that girl out of this house.
Mama, you can't say that. Why are you embarrassing me like that? She's my fiancée.
Oh, is she? I don't know about that.
Mom, please, I am not a kid, okay? Why are you... please. Let's just get inside.
Ernest, I know. But you have to choose. Choose right. So that you and I will not fight. Can't you see the way she dressed? Like a prostitute. Open your eyes, Ernest.
Mom, what is this?
Anyway,
she is not a prostitute.
I
She's
can see
a
you
graduate from the Polytechnic. She's not.
I can see you are not ready to do it, and I will do it for you.
Mom! What is this? Mom!
Hey, miss.
Well, Mom, my name is Jessica.
Whatever. Look, in my time, it was very impolite for a girl like you to go and romance in an older person's house. Anyway,
I will pretend I didn't see you. On one condition, that I will never set my 2 naked eyes on you in this house.
Ma'am, no.
That's the
Ma'am, no. You can't do
and
this.
it's clear! Anyway, that's the door.
Ma'am, you're embarrassing me, ma'am.
I said clear off.
Yes.
Out!
Yes. Ma'am, why are you treating
Clear
me like this? I'm not a kid.
Clear off!
I'm not a kid.
Out!
What is this? Can we please get inside and talk, ma'am?
Clear off!
Jesse. Ma'am, what is this? Why are you embarrassing me like that?
Thank you.
Jesse, please don't go. Jesse.
Nonsense. Clear off! Let her leave. Rubbish.
What? Jesse. Please don't go.
Man, take it easy. Easy, boy. What's up?
Orlando. I mean, how? How can I calm down? What kind of situation do I find myself in? I can't stand the pressure anymore. I mean, the woman I love so much is hated by my mom. Can you even start imagining it?
Hey, please don't take me there. Don't take me there. Listen now. This thing I find very difficult to understand. What exactly does your mom dislike about Jessica?
She tells me, she doesn't dress well, the way she carries herself. So many things. But that's not the real issue, you know. She's always telling me that her instinct is always telling her she's a gold digger and so many things. What kind of instinct is this?
Shit, man. That kind of instant race of old-fashioned bull crowd menopausal symptoms, man. That's what I hate about those old...
Hey, Orlando. It's my mom we're talking about, okay?
Sorry, Bo. Just that you know, I feel it bone to bone, right? We from the same roots, you know it, right? I just feel the pain. So tell me, where exactly is Jessica?
I don't even know where she is. I don't know where she's gone to. I went to ask her from her granny, and I was told she was going to visit a relative. Where exactly, she doesn't know.
Alright, this is what I think we should do, right? And that's what we're gonna do. Don't call her. Don't answer any calls. Just stay away from her alone and let's see what happens.
I can't raise Orlando. I can't do that. I am going to do the exact opposite, in fact. What are you saying? Look, I will go to the granny once again, ask her to show me wherever she's hiding, whichever hamlet she might be hiding in. I must get her.
Calm down, young blood. Calm down. Listen up, right? Listen when the dragon is teaching you a lesson. You need to take note of that. Let's do it like that, right?
You don't know. He who feels it knows it all. You're not feeling anything.
It's like that, man.
You won't be talking like this.
So it's like that, right? You feel it?
I'm watching on you, Brappy. But much bebre. I'm fed a motor saying that Sabi. If you had Drebia and see her, also scat. Some bebre, Mamma and German is a one. But I'm watching papa. You do a crow him from painful, a Jehuma, a boo. You mana moo da Wakakana, move feed them better, Kakabo components, and motor walk or mona, Mompage may be Yano, Mesramo. Company, let me tell Labiti Company. In Crawford, I can come with the carbon, Namadano, Bosumuswa, to be honest with you, Quacantant on market Miska. Anaza, Mamma any for me, you mammy, Binfi baby and Macam, will put that money into good use. Into a mobile moon, you know. Into Mr. Bebre. One jet, math, Namu, Skagakana, Mojijan, Mumpe bibi mfanye. Sramu mu ye munuanam pamocho bebre.
Bra. Sabe. Enye adwen ne bodu tre ne se okuja so. Nanka enkoye se wunua panyime. Me ba se me ba bagisika wo ho. Nti wonsem a wo keka no. Ya hadwene kakra. Ne unse se menso na menya ya. Mi na menya ya. Ka wonso no ebia nka wonso the same thing na so mo ho. Se bra panyin. Boame. Endi se enye enkoyi ne se aba wonchen ya. Bra. Die wo keka kro no kro nya mienum ne se ase me kwa me pani kwase ma mo mbra yi. Sa. Na so die so bra wu nse ade ensan ya. Munya me so bo. No bi num don kra. Ade ka cheso. Sebe me pani die. Nanso men se mani munya. Aho che die wo ba bia. Kre. Sino bebre. Nti e ba ne no be kan bi se na so wo kasa. Wo to bo ase ne ka. Wo de bi ni wa ka chem se bra e bi ni ho. Akwala nsem hye enye hye na. Bra panyin bra jumesi. Asma o kana no kra pa. Bra wo so san ke kan wo ka kam no sebi bra panyin nya kra o kasa nim ba hat sa na ade no. O abasa. O na sebi producer nka wo sebi usukodo buru. Wo se nwe how. Nka ye sebi eso bre nke be kasa. Abade listen. Bombafo omfane satebin mfonto na akrabo kra waka. Nye de sabe me kasa mo enyima na de bibi but man peda mo tase de zikan bi ho. Ema zikan mo ba na mo abaji mo ba na maji. You people don't put that money into good use. Adasa, you don't put the money into good use. Sasabi dua a osu zikan osifia mpa enka etsewo obodu bibia obopu. But maka na maji man is one. Asama making mo hear the way am I interpreting very wrong. Very, very wrong. You see? Very wrong. Yes, sir. No, I mean, kind of brand, but my interpreter, some American wrongly. Nobody is going to go to no Kodru Siana Maja Quato. Bra. We are here to Mantis and Aya Kamana, but the second Ohin. Bra. And yes, ye begin say, over the ever cancer. And now over the ever call a friend say, Trinity College, I don't care so much. Sika Okase. Yebejia ne dia koyi bibi wo sika ye ba esanse wo mie sika nso ti sope na wo ma ya sope no busa se me ba na ba mfanse friends mfanse bi se 10 Ghana cedis nam de kwa anate 20 Ghana cedis nam de kwa bra busa se pani mura meti se no me mfa ko ton de wo sa wo ma me wo yire wo ma. And so on, but say about be fine. Everyone was can be a mood kaka, rapanichi, or your tree, never quite be, won't you never asa? I don't see a bad, I didn't see any young way of breaks. Oh, ye, all the work come out. Sweetheart, oh, more 5,000. Hey, and wife near Marsh. Darling, it's too much. We don't have that kind of money here. Yes, young and short on so a form of you, yes, you're brilliant, it says Canoa. Madam, me bra yire no mintimi nkasa ntia wo. Wunyo me bra awalo. Na eye me ya. Se me bra etimi kase my 5,000 Ghana cedis yemfa nkobo bra. Na won so gina ho tiem. Fine, one place where ye no. Ye wo open no. Ko bra ye ko. Titi. Come on, you need Cassa. Bra, Yapa, ye no be Cassa. What do we have it? Bra, Oba, any be Mamu Walijayu. Walk school, Walijai, Bakum, you know, to me, Wali be a Numajai. You are 4 in 10 million. Who would that make Pepper? Because all my success. What kind of success? No, she was struggling and she was powerful. You survived before her. That's it. You survived before her.
Darling, me 2,000.
My wife is only 2,000. To munch 1,000 porch of them.
I'm in for more. I charge you 8,000. And Pacho, I am a brother, me for me Pacho, a penny. On a day, I'm going to hold a
pacho de from on. I brapani. It does.
Asum da se da matma se brother no mo njema no nsi bone ye de bia meta
Bra menyi wa no shibo
meta ho but mo ye mu nia no sika no ye juma na me no kwa me da na so be be gina na no wa san kan mo fa ye juma na toilet roll bra mo tu mata
Double who be a did one summer. How do you call?
Minnesota that for pan and so. It's an master Mirabaha. Seven the country. Second such a if I saw a girl now was wanting to jana on one or so be walena. Mimi pesa again as some back cry. Just say, Nancy, Nakati Shimuye, Nikasani. It's no. Say, me penasem. Once when him say, a busian female, to see a boy who pay with him. It's a man passes our column. Or bed papa shed so not be good and must say it. It's him stroke as a trampa.
The decamera was a say, who said, Madame Pardon is so fascinating to say, Yamini near Menin Becassa. Many be dinkumo part to say Mian and for to be the mad, the message so become to you. Meaning be dinkumo. Oh,
one, I meet me one, I meet you, so by Yammy to bomb what in Bia, then and come on my wife, and then Miss Rapine Marco. Solando, the banner so
well. So we say in the snipping. It's a Mishama Brappy meeting, Warrior and Sana. Jamis Matros, the son of my brain is saying.
Why I say? What I try now, power living one and now, never more Betty so. We better more about any and only back. Baby,
you were with us.
Sister, say, yeah, we young Malia, mammy, Bianchi. I never said I may feel a minute.
Okay. Let's get to the table, okay? I did this specially for you.
Ernest, can't we go to a restaurant and eat instead of eating in this house?
Hey, I know the reason why I brought you here. This is my daddy's house. It's my house too. It's not like I can't afford a restaurant meal.
I am not saying that.
I want you to feel like
that is not what I am saying.
So, are you gonna embarrass me or what? Please, let's eat, okay? Come.
Ernest, I do not want your mom to meet me here. You know how much that woman despises me.
Listen.
I don't want to stay here, please.
Listen, that is the more reason why I brought you to this house. Please, feel at home. Let's eat together. I want them to come and meet you here with me. So that they will know that you are truly my fiancé.
You want your mom to pour some insult on me again, innit?
Oh, baby, come on. I don't think they are coming any moment from now, okay?
Yes.
Sit down with us.
I am not sitting. I want to go.
Baby, you know how much I love you. And I'm sure my mom is also going to love you the same way I do. Okay?
You're damn right. Love me, love my dog.
Yeah, love me, love my... No, you are not my dog. Listen, you are the love of my life. Okay? You're my shining star, baby. Have a seat. Sit down. Alright. Let's cheers to the love that is sweeter than that of Romeo and Juliet.
No pressure from your mom.
Oh, come on. It's just going to come true very soon. Now,
Yes.
Parents are here.
Agnes!
What?
Hey,
Agnes! Sit down.
I thought you guys were not coming anymore.
How dare you bring this thing to come and wine and dine on my dining table?
Well, I'm leaving.
No.
I'm in a hurry.
No. Feel home.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, this is the lady I told you about the other time. Jessica, meet my dad.
Jessica.
My pleasure, sir.
Is that your name, Miss?
Jessica Hammond.
Are you the daughter of Judge Hammond?
No, sir. No.
Then whose daughter are you?
Baby. Hey, let's go. Ernest, enjoy yourself. My sweetheart, enjoy yourself, right? Let's go.
All right, Dad. Okay, then. Hey, come on. Look.
And don't touch me.
Come on. You can see my daddy likes you.
And your mom hates me.
Oh, but I mean, daddy likes you. I also like you. What's the beef? Look, my mom will get to know you soon. And I'm sure very soon she's going to like you, okay? Come on.
It's alright.
Come on. Okay, at least. Let's give you something. Hey, from the master chef. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. That's my baby. I hope you're okay.
I'm alright.
Alright. Here.
I'm alright.
If you're not eating, you can take your drink.
Yeah. Hey. In fact, I'm truly happy for both of you, yeah.
I really envy you guys. For sure.
Man, you should have been there to see how my dad was so happy seeing her. Charlie, my mom was speechless. The tigress couldn't utter a word. Man, my daddy was feeling my baby.
So tell me something, right now that you have the old man consent and there's you also have your new place. It means that you're gonna kill the bear. Kill the bear, just one
Orlando. Well, we are still courting.
Wow.
And until we get married, no bird will be killed.
Honest, seriously. Orlando, seriously, this is below the belt.
Say that to the Santa Claus when you see him.
Yeah, you're embarrassing me. I mean, what's up? But you know what? For your information, Jessica and I are on a platonic level.
For real? What's wrong with you, man?
It's strictly platonic. She tells me, her pastor tells her, it should remain platonic and nothing else.
You kidding me?
Oh yeah, I'm serious, and we are going to stick to that. No making babies or whatever you call it. It's platonic. For now, the furthest we go is a kiss, probably in a day, and occasionally some hugs.
Come on. Smooch your heart.
Whatever.
Well, listen now. I have good news for both of you.
Hey. Hope it's not one of your silly pranks. Huh?
You know, when I say it's good news, it's good news. I'm managed to secure a vacancy for Jessica at my company. Yeah, she's going to work with me as my administrative assistant.
For real?
For real, Bo. For real, man. Give me, man. Give me.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. But you know, Jesse, I would have loved you to work in my office instead of this wolf's office.
Sweetheart, of course you know why. Of course you know why. Your mom will always be at my nostrils. I mean, Besides, I cannot be in the same office with you. I mean, see you 24/7. Come on, the relationship is going to be so boring.
Okay.
So working with Orlando, at least give me time to miss you. Come home running for the kids and the hearts.
And what is wrong with you? There's nothing wrong with you.
What is this? Which is
You guys should leave it.
Just.
Hello? Alice? Yes? Look, Alice, how many times do you want me to tell you not to interrupt when I'm having my quiet time? Huh? What? Oh, really? Okay, let him in. Hello. Hey. Uncle. Dad. Yeah, what's your uncle? With us, yes. And what a PM is soon for free, say. Could be up to nobody. Let more be a one. I will office here. When they say going to see the BR, and I should have an in your look out, I train you. Wait here. When you force it now. Well, what you feel dying with you? And that's you will know really. And you grow. And you are. Oh, Mama, oh, you're crying so. We did a constantly book. The queen, you may be queen. Many are going to be here to maybe. The sick are someone to know a man in my baby and all threatening me. So that me at two. And so a team to 2 more. Mabushina animal. More only Palmasaba, a baby. Tinament now more team to one sana. More baby. Tinam to 2 minutes now, some Timmy Palm chain. And the penny picture. No more pay. Ghana translates pay the mammy. You could check and be free. Some check and be free. Sabi me say a pesan bubble. Me to me from a jack watch con me musica. If you could try Bessian on to me mutual debbie, meeting us. Tinyamia Ramona near my 2 years, a bit tear, message can appear. Must I have to be on fire? I have some tree. Timibaya, and yes, Master of the Bayer, it has. Yes. You, Dad. Wait there. What's the matter? Can there? Martina Supam. Nah, me answer so. I am a yase. Bibisa about the drama. Nah, the one said that you have Yedemra, and then she share a year. Nah, Fay Sika Samuno. And Sunday, she can free you, Mamma, and Quabontina. A befa Quam would do supi. A decano. A befa financial secretary so. Na what the abreme, I'm a must sign. I'm a sign we are with your command papa na finally almost one sign. And Sana Sikano aqua ponting. Na who the idea? Who say Bossian? Now for with ye Bossian dear, I said, my dream we minya kakra, Frize. Who be Bossian na would the aqua could tria Bossian wobble. Ah, would you go to ye? We won't find quiet maybe now, where they won't yes, now what the Ababa to your pussy or Baba boyfriend when white. Wait here, Miss Senka, Ubequaku, Papa, na one in a susu. I dream with ye, what Daruma. Ennis, William made the way 7 minutes to move without papa. Me, enough of a dimage. 7 minutes to move. Being so about what number? And you may more much ya, only papa dear. And you can hear say, Yes, what you say? Papa, you will be any of my. Metiase. The woman said, Jumana, as I said, Jumana, a limited liability company. A chair said, Yen, you want buy it, and then so to say, you floaty shares. I'm uncle forced to do music about a movie. Tina Bibiano, a yen share to send me a sicabesi free doing more bonte, Sicasu be frabontiapa. Tiwe dear Miss Rewa Nidi. Name Papa Uncle Name Quadrin. Why? And Rewa. It's me living answer. Sierra Cloud about my 300 galaxies in the club. And one more do Sicabation to be Conco and Conco and yet. Yes, I probably want to know very much. Where are you going? I'm not saying AGC. I'm not saying a social welfare. I'm not saying a football club. What are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me? Yes, what am I disappointed? Nene wouldn't want it. Fancy my mom will play you. Fancy my mom will play you. Yeah, we need to show my own Cosaqua. We are for the Africa of you. Yes, you never go so. To Yapopo, me can't never about the seats in the bonus. It's too much of a lot of friends about office here. Lot of friends about office here. And a senior one. And you what? Every $5 $50 in amount of a can't go. I say you're short. You are trying to tell me something back. You are not to tell me back. You are put it in the right way. In the right way. But I agree. And your fault. Now I'm telling you that one day you throw me a stone. One day you throw me a stone. I'm going. Yes, I'm going. Mommy and the dog, 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 Mommy and the dog. Auntie Janet, you're about Hokaka. Now, the call me brown can't see me. Why should I remember my pepper be would be ordinary what they mean to me in the entry. The essence of me, I'm not going to me chanting with say, what do you buy? Who are die? Tim the cow, how each a while, with him in Piffy said, Bob one, Miss Rawada, the Baya, and my Brancasa. Now, Mompisca Camame, and Sabbath, DJ, and even Koyi.
Betchums. Scasana.
Oh, said the Modica man be no MENSAH ban. I'm a hammer cranty, none coming past my ban. So I say, Nianamas and my man will be saying, now watching only will be no uncle. Intina mamma, bunting camina, bear 3,000 Ghana's.
Betchums says the can you be with you 3,000 Ghana's. Me mum gave me this says can I say me wo ho e no kan sika de mam say mum fa says kan konkoye adwuma sika na ye den
o ma sika te me konkoye adwuma me so me pedwuma no ma nkwaya kwadjo tin kunya me de kofa azikiri ene gari ani ne to pa yo to nsu ato afo gari no ni azikiri na se e ka ma pon
na se na nsensu nto e ye den e na nsu fo azikiri
okay, ukasa ntiasi o munye se bia nsu na atobusu na mesoma me baba aiwa so ko se nsu mrem ko bu nsu se na se pa ko ya ni atum papa ya ni atum asa wona obi ade no ho be hwiase wo ba bia mechichire sichire ni gali me wo hwiehwie gu asichire ni gali suma ma se ni nyina ahono ko du an ho a me ye ko fini ya me dum se buti shu na ja Neshi, MENSAH me can't say me bra, I jam me bra, no, the lady of my more proof with you, but pick a clamor.
Okay, what I come at me, never bedroom. Not your Becca, Mamma Swat.
DJ, one maba, So ka so no me bra ba dwene mo dia mente wase. Sebe me nso me pani mo adwene. Ani ade di man ko yi. Na me no be susu ase won san na ko dwene ho ansa. Na me so no ba ko dwene da na me nan ko be mu man ko okra. Ni tem dia betu anim. Ti pe ko amba ntinye tafe na san na ko dwene ho. Je me nim se oba do no be ma kompaso a. Mu na mkuta upper hand. Pe ko amba fa so bitimi akwa me.
Na wonim sa da ade ntin ho anko na ba.
Sajay, she be you. Na dia chance me bra kura si kenya wanya. Enyo ono anu modimbo. Me papa sase. Ena bra, wode ma ye na bra ko kan ye, wode ko sia wo ko gi sika. Enum na ono nso de nya ba bia gin. Ndu yo mko sika wanya na yebusua sika. E ono ye dia no dia. But me na me pese bia me de mo ba hye enuma bi mu. Ni ma jama so no nko amfa.
I see. Na wo refi. Ame twa adwene bra kakra. Wo refi se saasase. Odi ko gi loan wo bank no. O wie wo tua e ka ne. E gi asase no. Na be fa asase na ton ye na no abusua no nua. Wo shi sika no. Ye bro, ye sim fifi. Ye papa. And son ye sika wo fia. Bra ya ba na me ya don a. Enne ye dwuma ye kese e bedu sam pempenso we. Wonim.
Ah, this aye.
Me ferlo.
Nessa, oh yeah, first or better than that. Jay, Nessa, answer all go be the atom. No crewman, I can get you. It is all our better change, yes, sir. Una better some work, yes, sir. Fiat, men pass I know, says, can it be you? I can't just come ultimate everything, sir. What it? I will do such a thing over to me. Obra, who could now feel who could. You are paying me, and ah, me no kasa wo to open to be mommy.
What you name since?
Do ka tell me no.
Sana me catch no.
Me be no one to what it. Open to me say. Me can say who. Yeah, who is that?
I won't give you any money. I won't give you any money. Let me alone. Oh, when you have, when you have, see any more of someone from more. What can do for money? What can do for money yourself? I won't give you any money.
Mummy in the door, Mummy in the door, Mummy in the door, Mummy in the door, and on team Mummy and Suya, 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 Mummy Suya Unyamin kuane bedini
Jane.
Darling, Memo.
Jane, I want to be clear here. It's a true message over here, the mafia.
I wasn't money with that 3,000. You can't let me get that sick of the chairman don't know how we're
hello, Tony. Are you still in office? Please come to my house and get madam to hospital for me. Come to my house and get madam to hospital for me. Who told you she's pregnant? Okay. Remember, hey, Abana, open your door. Remember, wait for me.
Where are you going? No, don't leave. Don't leave. Where are you going? Don't leave.
Mommy in the door, mommy in the door,
Sister, two says, sister. Oh, Dabi. Oh, alas.
Hey, two
Hey,
says.
Alas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, I can't see 13.
And one, there is one in my camera. 260. And 2 minutes.
Emumio.
Come on. Okay, 6.
That's why I lock you.
6, 5. This
Hey, see them. Alas.
2. Again, I'm going to be
Sister, I saw it.
1. Yes, sir. 2, 3, 4, 5.
And the memory, Shakali. And the memory, Shakali. Shakali.
Surprise! How dare you to lay your hand on my wife? How dare you? Love me.
Yensi wini na ukofa hinjesha Obiara nsumudu Eningose beto Yensi wini na ukofa hinjesha Obiara nsumudu Eningose beto Okwajufuwe kontati anje Suye na kwai Nyansa Okwajufuwe kontati anje Na suye na kwa